Hello beautiful people, welcome to the brand new episode of Candle Stories. This is a brand new channel where we will be sharing our trade journals, trade ideas and simulating it side by side. So stay tuned. Let's quickly hop into our today's trade. I managed to secure GBPAUD buys today in London session. It was pre-London to be honest, just before London Open. Okay, let's go and look back. How did I manage to take this trade? So this is the trade journal right here in front of you guys. So let's see what were the confirmation, how did the trade went, and what happened during that time period. So let's see. In an hourly sort of time frame, I was looking at this trend line, which was a rejection to the top, and considering this as a noise as the price just went bullish and then just dropped down. This means absolute noise to me. So price rejected here, rejected here, rejected it multiple times, and when currently before my trade, when price broke this trend line as well, broke this resistance and 15-minute close above this, and I started looking for buys. I started looking for a retest on this trend line or a break of the high here. A minor retest I was looking, but it gave me a really good retest. So let's look into the confirmation that I saw during the trade. So the first was 15-minute candle close above resistance with no top wick. Okay, this was the 15-minute resistance, and this 15-minute huge bullish candle closed above the resistance with no top wick or very small top wick. It was really looking good for buys. Still I was looking for a retest on the trend line. Okay, and number two, retest of the trend line. Okay, the trend line has been retested now and support has been formed. Candle close above resistance with enough volume and good market structure. Okay, that's good. Sorry. Sorry guys. Okay, the support has been formed, the trend line has been retested, and it has again closed above. The 15-minute has again closed above this resistance here with enough volume and good market structure. That's all we need for an impulse entry. So I managed to take a buy above the break of the high of this 15-minute candle here, and secured at least 13 pips I guess, and left the rest running. So let's go, let's simulate it. All right, okay, this is GA. This is London Open candle. So let's go into 15-minute time from here. I took the trade, so let's try and simulate it, what I was looking for. So this is first idea was the rejection on an hourly trend line. Hourly trend line rejection, that was my first and foremost idea. So this was the hourly trend line. And hopping into 15-minute, I was also looking buys above this resistance right here, not above this, because there's a next resistance right on top. Okay, so this is how it went. So this first 15-minute candle closed above the trend line and above the resistance, which was a really good confirmation for buys above this level, but it did not have a top wick. What does that mean? It means there was no range, or there was or price was really volatile at that time period. The 1 minute did not have a top wick, I guess. Where was it? Where was it? Here, right here. Look at this, 1 minute absolutely moved bullish here. That was the reason the 15-minute closed above, and there was enough volume at that point in time. So let's go into 15-minute again. So that is why a candle does not have its wick. Either it has no range or it has too much volume at the end of the candle. So let's go. Let's look quickly into it. I don't know why we are running out of time. So it's funny. So 15-minute close below, and I was looking for a support for buys. So this candle closed bullish, and it would have been a really good trade to buy here. But yeah, it's Friday, and I really didn't want to take any loss at this point in time. It would have been a good trade because trend line has been retested, support has been formed, but we also have another resistance right here, right here. 4 pips, 5 pips, 6 pips. So that entry would be a bad idea. Waited for another candle to close above. Let's see. Let's wait, guys. Okay, look at this. So what happened right here? Support formed. Support has been formed right here. Broke up the trend line, retested the trend line, support has been formed, and candle close above the resistance as well. So it was a really good impulse entry right here. It was kind of zero drawdown trade, to be honest. I was looking for this range to be filled. In and about this. So let's go into 5 minutes. Let's just go into 15 minutes. So this is how I took the trade, to be honest. So at this point of time, I secured in and about 13 pips. 13 pips, yeah, in and about 13 pips, and then I had it at break even. I had the stop loss at break even, 80% secured at break even. There was a trade, and Friday became a really good day today, and the week is going in profit. Okay, and looking at the risk management factor, there was nothing really. It was a zero drawdown trade. So what I was looking on was I entered right here. It went up. Let's go into 5 minutes. We can see it clearly. So I entered right here with small stop loss. I was hoping a big rush of volume right here. So what I was thinking for risk management sake is, if the price comes back to my entry point, I would be closing my trade, not half, I'll be closing full, because look at this here. Sorry, I don't know why it's lagging. Oh, data point unavailable. Okay, let's go back. We were simulating. Let's go back. I think I pressed mistakenly 1 minute or so. Okay, here, right here. 5 minute data unavailable. Available. It's available. Okay. So why was I willing to close the trade at entry after it moved 5 or 6 pips in profit? Because look at this. After breaking the trend line, the price has an abrupt rejection to the left. So that was the main reason I did not want to take any loss or be part of any kind of retracement in bigger time frame. That is it. Thank you, guys. If you like the content, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.